All right, so rivers of okay. From the rivers of Babylon, where he sat down, and where he wept, when he remembered Zion. And for the wicked carried us away, captivity required of us a song. How can we, thinking of a song in a strange land? Blow thee the shofar, blow, the year of Jubilee has come. And Moses commanded them, saying, at the end of every 7 years, in the solemnity of the year of debt cancellation, at the Feast of Tents, when all Israel is come to appear before the Lord thy God in a place that he shall choose, thou shalt read this law before all Israel, and in their hearing gather the people together, the men and the women and the children and thy stranger, that they may learn and fear. Yahweh, the King of kings, has forgiven all of your debt. Jubilee.
Jubilee.